Alright, in this tutorial we're going to talk about using the built-in intervalometer in DSLR camera remote. The intervalometer is just another name for a fancy self-timer. What it does is it lets you take a number of pictures with a certain time frame in between each. To access it, click on the Options button, and intervalometer will be the first option you see. Now you can use the intervalometer for lots of things. It's handy just to use as a self-timer, and to use it as a self-timer, what you'll want to do is make sure the number of shots is set to 1. Then go to the interval option and just dial in how long you want between shots. If you want 10 seconds, just dial it up to 10 seconds. There we go. Let's go back. And it's important if you're going to use it as a self-timer to make sure that the wait for first shot is turned on. So what that means is when I press this start button right here, it's going to count down 10 seconds and then take one picture. So here we go. I hit the start button. Watch, down here is our timer. It'll count down, and when we reach 0 seconds, it'll take a picture. So again, this works just like a self-timer on a camera normally would. There we go. Alright, now that's the most basic use of the intervalometer, but you can also use it to take a number of shots instead. This is useful if you want to do stop motion animation, or if you want to track movement over time, or if you can't be behind the camera at all and you're not really sure when the right shot's going to come, but you just want to take a series of images to record an event, like a wedding reception or maybe even a wedding ceremony. For this example, we're going to use it for some animation. So what I want to do is I'm going to take a series of images about 5 seconds apart, and between each image I'm just going to rotate this can just a little bit, and then we'll be able to actually animate the can turning. So I'm going to set my interval, in this case, to about 6 seconds. That's about how long it's going to take me to adjust the can each time, just to be safe. And I'm going to shoot, let's say, 6 pictures. And because I have the can set and ready to go for the first shot, I don't need to worry about waiting for the first shot. So now I'm just going to hit the start button. There we go. Now all I do is I'm just going to rotate the can a little bit, make sure I'm out of the shot before the next one comes. Alright, there we go. We shot our sequence. I'm just going to drag that LCD down to make it a little bit bigger, and then I can just swipe from image to image to review my images. Now I could take these and put them into an animation program to go ahead and build a sequence where the can looks like it's turning.